Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So tonight we're going to be doing a quick review of the Birchbox Man for November of 2019. So let's get right into it. To the left here you can see my sample choice for this month, and it's from a company called Modern Made Man. And what it is a leather men's travel kit. So you can see inside here we have a little wine bottle opener, a little knife there, which is very convenient for traveling. You have a pair of scissors there for getting nose hair, stuff like that. You got a pair of nail clippers, we have a pair of tweezers, and then we have a razor with 2 cartridges. I'm not sure if you could refill them or if they make other cartridges for that. I'm going to have to check on that. But I chose this one. I thought this would be the most beneficial one. This is great for traveling. It's really nice, actually. You can throw this right in your travel bag, and it's got everything that you would need right in it, for taking care of yourself on the go. So that was my sample choice for this month. It's actually pretty well built too, which is nice. So let's get into our samples and see what we got there. Right in the top here, as always, is our list of what's in the box, a little bit about it, and the price of it. So you can see, here's what we've got. Let's get started. All right, up first we have from Jack Black. It's the Industrial Strength Hand Healer. Full size of this is $15. I have used it before. This stuff is fantastic and it smells really, really good. So that is a great product to start with. Up next we have from Kiehl's. It's the Age Defender Gel Moisturizer. You can see that right here. Full size of this is $40. I love all of Kiehl's products, so that's another great product. And it says it's specifically formulated to serve the needs of men's thicker skin. So that's pretty cool. Up next, we have from Merlot. It is the number 24 deodorant for men. Full size of this comes in at $10.99. This is pretty cool. I like when they send these little guys like this because these are great to throw in your travel bags and stuff like that instead of having like a full size in there. So that's a great product to try. And it says it's got coconut oil in it. It says its natural formula won't stain your clothes like chemically formulated deodorants. After that, we have V76 by Vaughn, a smooth shave cream. Comes in at $11 for the full size. And it says, massage the cream into wet stubble until it lathers, shave as usual, and rinse with warm water. And the final product we have here is from the Wolf Project. It is a hydrating face mask sheet. Now it says a full size of this is $24.50. So I'm not sure if that's just what this product is by itself. That would be pretty intense if that was just $25 for this. But it says, unfold the sheet and leave on the face for 10 to 15 minutes to fully allow the serum to seep in. It's a bamboo charcoal mask. So that is our last product. That's pretty cool. I never got anything like that in the Birchbox Man before. So I'm excited to try that. So here you go, guys. That's the November box right here. Favorite product this month is definitely going to be the Wolf Project Hydrating Face Mask Sheet. That's pretty cool. I really want to try that out. They work really good. I've used them before, and this seems like it's something cool. I'm actually going to check it out and see if it is $24.50 for just that alone, or maybe they come in a pack, but it says, full size. It just says, it doesn't say, the size or anything. It just says full size. Doesn't tell you how many or anything like that. So definitely going to check that out. But guys, that's a great box this month. I love the sample choice. It's probably one of my favorites that I've gotten so far, probably in my top 3, because I really like the travel stuff like that. Always love to get the Jack Black and Kiehl's products because they're amazing. The V76 by Vaughn is also a really good company. Good shave cream. I've never tried that before, and the deodorant is also something pretty cool to try. Marlowe is a pretty decent company, and I think they sell them locally at Target, I believe. So you can actually pick that up without having to order it. A lot of their stuff. So guys, that's the November box. As always, like and subscribe, and leave your comments down below.